The BDS Summer Camp 2022 is going on. Today was day 2 and we had a special workshop for the children in the age group of 3 to 10 years. A workshop which I feel every parent should also make their child know about. It was a general awareness topic. The topic was the good and the bad touch.
मैंने तुम्हें चॉकलेट भी खिला दी, अब तुम मेरे पास आओ। पास आ जाओ। आना चाहिए। किसके पास जाना चाहिए?
This workshop was taken by Innovation for Change. Team IFC of Innovative Pathshala, the students came here. They engaged the students in different activities.
Namaste. Everyone, namaste. Salam. Salam. Namaste. Salam. Namaste. Salam.
It started with a small theatre workshop done for the children in which they were made aware about the different kind of touches through the use of cartoons.
है रात गली और चांद चमकता, गुड्डा चलता, चांद चलता। आप दोस्ती करोगे डोरेमोन, आप दोस्ती करोगे? इसके पास ऑलरेडी नोबिता है, नोबिता को इसको बचाना है, तो इसको दोस्ती ही नहीं करनी है। एक बार क्लैप कर दो सब। इनको हाथ मिलाना चाहिए। यस या नो? यस या नो? ओके। सो आपको कैसा लग रहा है? गुड लग रहा है कि बैड लग रहा है? गुड, वेरी गुड। ओके।
Then there was a small video shown to the children which clearly distinguished between a good and a bad touch to the children. Followed by a small activity done on the worksheet where the children by the end of the workshop had learned which part of the body is a no touch zone for anybody except their own known people. The workshop was very enriching. Children were very happy and they all went in with a badge saying stop child abuse. They were taught, the message given to them was say no. No! It was a very, very good experience. Thank you Team IFC for coming and making our children aware of such an important topic in their lives. Thank you.